630B that we're going to put on eBay for sale. Me and my brother bought it. It's a 2005 with 587 hours on it. He's going to come around and show you how many hours is on it. Okay, and he will focus on this right here. This is a W4-1770, which is the 35 horse motor, not the 30 horse or the 34 horse. And it cranks and operates. We use it to cut trees and grind stumps. We service it and everything. Come around here and I'll show you where we grease the bearings daily. You can look down there and see where the grease is in the bearings. No clay in the wheel, which I'll put it in gear and you can hear it in gear, but everything operates like it should. Now we're going to go around here and turn on the switch. Fire it up. You'll notice more smoke in it. No blow by. Okay, I'm going to engage it in gear. Belts are good and tight. To buy a SC252, a 253, a little bigger portable stump grinder, 353. And somebody will be getting a great machine because we take